Kayo naman.
Let's go! Well, these are main vibe leaderboard top 1, AJ, Althea, and Jess. Once again, let's give it up for G22!
Grabe! Grabe, ladies, another hit for you, and at number 1, the word "wala akong pake" itself is very powerful. You know, it gives you wala akong pakialam energy. So, anong experience, anong personal experience or emotions were you channeling when you recorded this track?
I think it's more on the unbothered energy na you just focus on yourself and your growth and sa sarili mong kakayahan ka lang nakatingin at naniniwala.
Iwan natin yung mga negativity, yung mga nega sa 2025 kasi wala akong pake.
Yes!
Preach! Pero ang mga fans nyo, ang mga bullets ay maraming paki sa inyo. And they're calling La Akong Pake a confidence anthem. So did you imagine it becoming that kind of song for the listeners, especially women, when you released it?
I think every music that we have, palagi namin nasa isip yun na we want to empower and raise the flag of women.
Yeah.
And yes,
Amen, mga V's! Everybody, a big round of applause, G22! Alright, for what's next on the playlist for today, Maxi and Anna, kayo naman.
Siyempre, hindi pa tapos ang hatid naming open sa inyo mga V dahil we have another OG na madalas